Good afternoon, students. In this video, we have to discuss about the rural unemployment from 10th chapter. Let us see the rural unemployment. What is unemployment? It is a situation which a person is actively searching for employment but unable to find work at the prevailing wage rate. This situation is called unemployment. It is a tragic waste of manpower and underutilization of human resources. So there is a person willing to work but unable to find out the job. This is tragic waste of manpower. As long as there is unemployment, social problems cannot be stopped and economy cannot achieve development. So this is continuously going on, keeping on means there is no development in a country. On 4th October 2016 census, rural unemployment was 7.8%, which is less than urban unemployment. All India unemployment rate is 8.5%. Rural unemployment in India are categorized into three classes: open unemployment, concealed unemployment, or under unemployment, or seasonal unemployment. The open unemployment is a person are identified as they remain without work. This type of unemployment is found among agricultural labour, rural artisan and literate persons. And the concealed unemployment is difficult to identify who are underemployed. We cannot find out them. For many are employed below their productive capacity. And even if they are withdrawn from work, there is no affect the output of the production. Okay? So many are willing to work the capacity they have, the capability they have, but they are working in the places for the meager wage rate. So we cannot identify them. If they are withdrawing from their work, there is no affect the output. This is concealed unemployment. So underemployment also will be there. This is called as disguised unemployment. This type of unemployment is found among the small and marginal farmers. Then livestock refers to rural artisan also. This kind of unemployment situation is more serious in villages than urban areas. Discussed unemployment in rural India is 25% to 30%. This is commonly seen in India. In seasonal unemployment, what is seasonal unemployment? It occurs only on a particular season supported by natural circumstances, and the remaining period of the year is the rural people are unemployed or partially employed. This is called seasonal unemployment. In the seasonal unemployment is like plugging, sowing, weeding and harvesting, there is scarcity of labor, and in the rest of the year there is unemployment. The season only they can do that works. The remaining time of the period they taking rest. It is pathetic to note that a farmer who cultivates one crop in a year usually goes without a job for almost 5 to 7 months and ultimately committing suicide. So if it is going on, keeping on 5 to 7 months, there is no job, there is no employment means this is serious condition. It leads to serious condition to the farmer and they committing suicide. This is seasonal unemployment seen in rural period. What are the causes for rural unemployment? So let us see one by one. First one is absence of skill development and employment generation. So here the government not taking initiation to give any job opportunities to the rural people. That's why they are saying lack of government initiatives to give required training and then to generate employment opportunities. If the government taking measures to eradicate or abolish the unemployment in the rural areas, they should give any training to the rural peoples and giving opportunity to the employment. But there is no government initiative. That's why the skill development and employment generation will be spoiled in the rural people. Seasonal nature of agriculture. We know that the seasonal unemployment seen in rural areas. So agricultural operations are seasonal in nature and depend much on nature and rainfall only. Therefore, the demand for the labor becomes negligible during off-season. So non-farm employment opportunities must be created. Next, the lack of subsidiary occupation. Rural people are not able to start subsidiary occupations such as poultry, rope making, pickery, and pickle making, like that, etc. due to shortages of fund or investment. The lack of proper marketing arrangements, there is no awareness about the subsidiary occupations. So side by side, there is no any work to them. The restricts is employment opportunities and the rural families' income. So this is the situation restrict the employment opportunity to the rural families. Here the government must arrange fund for these people. If they are not providing any subsidies or any loans to the rural people means they pay huge interest to the local money lenders for they are unable to get loans from formal sources. Formal sources means government. Mechanization of agriculture. We know that all the farming lands and farmers and are using machineries. At present also they are using machineries instead of the labor. The landlords are the principal source of employment to the farm labor. They only having the employment. They only hiring the labor in their lands. So mechanization of agriculture operation like plugging, irrigation, harvesting, threshing, etc. reduces the employment opportunities for the labor. So they cannot work here and instead of the labor the machinery is only working. This is also one of the problem for rural unemployment. Next, capital intensive technology. Next one is capital intensive technology. The expanding private industrial sector is largely found in urban areas and not creating additional employment opportunities due to the application of capital intensive technology. Here the private sector only concentrating the capital intensive technology. Here they cannot create additional employment opportunities because they only making the profit motive only they are making this capital intensive technology. So government must establish firms to absorb surplus labor power. Here the government only making the capital intensive technology means there is enough of employment opportunities can give. But here the private industries or private industrial sectors only concentrating here. That's why the rural unemployment created by them. Defective system of education. Our education system also making the rural unemployment. The present system of education also aggravated the rural unemployment. Large number of degree producing institutions has come in the recent years. For namesaking only they are getting degree. They also providing degrees to the students. The students also want to get degrees only, not any skill. They don't want to take any skill development. So degrees should be awarded only on the basis of skills acquired. The unemployed youth should get sufficient facilities to update their skills. Then only they can find out their job. Okay, these are the problems of rural unemployment. Okay, causes for rural unemployment we have completed. What are the absence of skill development and employment generation? Seasonal nature of agriculture, lack of subsidiary occupation, mechanization of agriculture, capital intensive technology, and defective system of education. These are the 6 points of causes for rural unemployment. This may be asked in your 5-mark question. Concentrate this question. Okay. Then we have to move remedies for rural unemployment. Okay. What are the remedial measures we can take in the rural areas? In order to reduce rural unemployment in the country, there is a need to take integrated and conditioned or coordinated efforts from various levels. A few remedial measures are listed below. What are the subsidiary occupation? I told you what are the subsidiary occupation? Poultry, rope making, piggery, like that. I told you. So like that, to reduce the seasonal unemployment, rural people should be encouraged to adopt subsidiary occupation. Loan should be granted and proper arrangement should be made for the marketing their products. Whatever they made in their home, the cottage industry, small industries taken started by the people, the loan should be arranged and proper arrangements should be made for the marketing for their products by the government. So this is remedial measures to giving employment opportunities to the rural people. Rural works program. Rural works programs such as construction and maintenance of roads, digging of drain, canals, etc. These should be planned during off-season to provide gainful employment to the unemployed peoples. So, providing these like works, they can get employment opportunities in the off-season. Next, irrigational facilities. So, the irrigation facilities is also very important. Through the irrigation facilities, we can provide employment opportunities or generate employment in the rural areas. Since rainfall is uncertainty, so uncertaining irrigation facilities should be expanded to enable the farmers to adopt multiple cropping. So side by side they can adopt any cropping patterns. The increased cropping intensive creates additional demand for the labor. So the cropping intensity also creates additional demand for the labor here. So they can get employment opportunities throughout the year. Rural industrialization. To provide employment, new industries should be set up in the rural areas. It should be taken by the government, not by private. So this will open new fields of employment and also change and the attitude of rural people towards work. They must concentrating and show their attitude towards their employment. For this, the government has to do something. As I told you, the government should take any measures. The private sector would not take up this responsibility. They cannot give any opportunities to the rural people. Here the government only taking measures to giving employment opportunities or making industries in the rural areas. Technical education. So we know that from the causes of rural unemployment, defective system of education we can see. So here they are saying technical education. This is very important to the rural people. Unemployment oriented courses should be introduced in the schools and colleges to enable the literate youth to start their own units. They can start their own business through their technical education. So if the employment oriented courses, technical education given in the school itself, they can start their own business and own units. Okay, these are the remedial measures for remove the unemployment problem in the rural areas.